Thank you for tuning into this video. If you're new here, my name is Tandy, and Lord, if I could speak. Okay, y'all, so today I am just gonna be doing a little chit chat, get ready with me. I already have my hair done, and I don't really like to put heat on my hair, but today I just did a couple wand curls in this little cute little have to. Let's get into the face. My nose is red because I just did a peel, so I am I gonna color correct? I don't think I'm gonna color correct. What I am going to do, however, is take this Dr. Brandt luminizer primer. I'm just gonna put it on my problem areas. I really like this primer. This is like one of my favorite primers. I really sometimes will even wear this by itself. I just like the finish of it. My skin looks really radiant, and it also blurs out my pores. I already got my eyebrows done too, by the way. There is an eyebrow tutorial on my channel already, so I'll leave a link up here if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my base first and then do my eyes. What I've been doing is doing my concealer, then my powder foundation. So I'm gonna take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Talked about this in my contour video. I really like this concealer. This has been like my go-to concealer here lately, and also because I haven't bought another one. I feel like a lot has been going on. A lot of you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, what are you doing with your life? And you guys have been like, yo sis, where you been? Literally right before Thanksgiving, like I kind of just vanished in a ghost. But I promise you, as you can see, I am. Speaking of work, they just popped up, ironically enough. I've just been working, you guys. Started working as a Chanel beauty advisor. Where? Coco Chanel, Mademoiselle, however you want to reference the great. Actually, you guys, Coco was a nickname given to her by her family. And later on, her friends kind of adopted it. So like, that's not even her name. Her name is actually Gabrielle. But I'm using the Black Radiance setting powder. This is the banana powder that they have. This is new. I just got this, but I'm really liking it. Pretty good for banana powder from the drugstore. And I guess this is kind of like also my updated foundation routine. Another new product that I am using. I haven't used this product on my channel, therefore it is new. And that is Estee Lauder Double Wear Pressed Powder. You guys know I love a powdered foundation, so yeah. This is what we're using today. What else is new? We're going to talk about affirmations because that's what I've been doing. And one thing I've learned from doing those said affirmations is that you have to speak in the present tense. Okay, you guys, so when you are talking about the things that you aspire to do, that you want out of life, you have to speak in the present tense so the universe can hear you and understand that that is actually what you want for yourself. But it's not going to reward you though unless you 100% believe in what it is that you're saying. So you have to really like be careful with your words is what I'm trying to say. My foundation is in place. I'm looking covered. Definitely a lot more coverage than my Ruby Kiss one, but I mean, price point, y'all. Like, that's a drugstore product that only cost me $5, which works well. Don't come for Ruby Kiss. I'm gonna take some concealer and prime my eyes. I kind of want to do something different because I kind of feel like I'm always doing the same looks. I know I don't do a lot of looks on YouTube, but I do a lot of looks on Instagram. I'm always doing pinks and purples because that's like my go-to colors. So today I'm going to try to step outside of the box. I think I want to do like a blue or a green. I'm taking this Wet n Wild, I don't know, brush, and I'm gonna dip into ColourPop's Tiger Lily. I'm actually gonna be using my Alamar Cosmetics palette that came in my BoxyCharm box. Not worried about men, that's for damn sure. The dating game is, and like the older you get, it doesn't get any better. It actually gets worse. Cause like I told myself, you know, dating isn't really for me. You know, the older you get, like, I don't know if you call it what, you get lonely or whatever, but you know, you just want some kind of companionship. Like, it don't even have to be anything sexual either. Like, it could be dead ass platonic and you just rock with that. But I feel like once you actually take it to that level, that's when it becomes complicated. So I've just been trying to, you know, keep to myself. Work. Take my little e.l.f. brush cleaner, spray some on that. Oh shoot, clean my brush a little bit. Oh, that smells so good. I'm gonna go into Celia. Ooh, child, do you see her? Oh my Lanta. I was debating whether I wanted to cut this crease or not, but as you can see, that shit sank. I'm gonna go into Varadero. Ooh, ain't she cute or whatever? These colors I would never ever have chosen, but I'm trying to step outside of my comfort zone, right? That is the purpose in life. Growth. Okay, and you cannot grow staying in your comfort zone. Say no to comfort zones. Come on, sis. Y'all, my stomach is growling right now. I don't even think you understand.
You don't understand.
Kick it! What y'all know about that? Am I showing my age? Low key, high key. That would probably be a good video. Like if I did a video where every time I said something that reminded me of a song and I like played it, I bet you I could probably create a whole look. Let me know if you want to see that video. Comment down below. So, now we're gonna go into El Malecón. I'm gonna take a Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush and pat that on in the inner corner. Take a little bit more of that Celia and kind of blend her. Okay, so I am just buffing on the outer V here, the outer third. I just want to blend. That's all I ever wanted to do. Sorry y'all, I'm just a bit extra. I am really digging this eye though. Is this different for me? This is definitely different, right? Did I succeed so far? I think I have. I'm using my crown brush, I don't know. And for bronzer, I am going to use this one by Glamour Dolls. Like I said, follow me on Instagram at Tandy Colada. You see it up here. I need some natural hairstyles because now that I feel like, you know, your girl got a little bit of drippage back here, you know, I think I'm ready to wear my natural hair again. I mean, don't get it twisted. Like, I still gotta wear my wigs because ain't nobody got time to be doing hair every day. You guys see any cute little hairstyles? Tag me in them on Instagram, please. Usually I contour my nose before I do my eyeshadow, but today I guess it's a little different. I'm gonna use this No Cosmetics blush for highlight. What we doing? I kind of want to use Becca's Bronze Amber, but I feel like this is not going to be the way for this particular look. So, do I want to use Champagne Pop? Becca has some really good highlighters, y'all. She's a little bit expensive, but she's definitely worth it. I think I am going to do Champagne Pop. And for mascara, I am using the Eddie Funkhauser Quattro Mascara. Got this in my Slut Box. If you guys are wondering, yo, sis, where was the Slut Box unboxing? Said it earlier in this video and I'll say it again. You gotta follow me on Instagram because I actually went live for the first time ever. Yeah, I unboxed my Slut Box on Instagram. Who knows? Maybe next month I'll go live on YouTube. You just never know. You gotta make sure you're following me so you can stay tuned with my shenanigans. So for lipstick, I don't know what I'm going to use. Yeah, I'm going to be using this Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick, and this is in the shade Latte. LipBar Cosmetics Baddie Lip Gloss. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Hit the notification button so that you can be notified on the next video. I hope to see you guys then, but until next time.